Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 15 of Beavelguy Plays Technofirma. Yeah, I haven't made a lot of progress yet on the base. I've only just uploaded the last one. I've got lots of work still to do. But I kind of fancy trying out this portable electrical axe on an actual forest. I thought, why not get some more sticks at the same time? Plus, charcoal, I'm a little bit worried about running out of charcoal halfway through making this, and we've been making it using great wood so far. Ooh, there we go. I love that boat mod. Great wood is the slowest wood you can put in there to make charcoal. It's actually a lot faster if you use normal Terraforma Craft wood. So we're going to give that a go. But before we get started on that, and the main reason I wanted to record straight away instead of coming back to you after having completed a whole ton of work, was just to thank one of my subscribers, Hannah. You may have noticed I've got new channel art now. I got an awesome new little icon and like a banner as well. And I absolutely love them. I think they're absolutely amazing. She made them for me and for the channel. So I just wanted to say thank you, Hannah. You're awesome. All right, let's try this axe out. It does work. Okay. You can tell I've been here getting sticks before. All the trees are already stripped. This is amazing. Battery's not running out as quickly as I was afraid of either. You can also see I've been getting a bunch of clay from here. Let's see, some more. Of course, I've timed this perfectly, so it's becoming night now. Okay, well, I tell you what, guys, because this was not supposed to be the point of the episode. I know this works now, and I know it lasts a decent amount of time. We might still make a battery packet for it to extend it, but I'm just going to be running around getting twigs and stuff, and then I'm going to go back to the base and just get a load of work done. So I will cut back in a bit. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I think we're finally ready to build this crusher. I gotta say, I mean, I've spent, oh, a little bit choppy there. I've spent basically 2 days just processing iron and steel to make this thing, and I'm not even done. Like, I need more steel to make the actual pipes and everything. So this is definitely a big project, but I think it'll be cool when it's done. Oh yeah, I upgraded the windmill there because it's going to be powering. I'm going to be trying to get it to power this crusher, and this is still going to be woefully inadequate, but it's going to be better than using the windmill blade that we had on there initially. But let's see if we can do this. So it's I sort of placed it out to make sure I had space here, so it's going to be, I've forgotten already. 3 of those on the edge, and then 2 there. 1, 2, 3. Just like that, is it? Yeah, okay, and then we go up 1 level. We got 3 there. 1 in the middle. 2 on the side. With fences all around. I think I got one of these wrong here. Hold on. 2 in the front with nothing behind it. Yeah, so this one's wrong. Okay. These multi-blocks are an absolute nightmare to craft. They're really, really cool, but they're a nightmare. Let's have a look. And then up 1 more level. Yeah, there are 9 hoppers. These are so expensive. Now that they use steel. Oh man, that was brutal. But we've done it. We've done it in the name of progress. And then hopefully, where's my hammer? Engineer's hammer. I have to hit this somewhere. Boom. We got the stinking thing. So, we gotta power it. While this is not on, it's safe to walk up here, but we've got to be careful about falling into this while it's turned on. You can see that looks a little bit dangerous. Power goes in here. We could just use low voltage stuff for now. Let's find ourselves a lever, and then we need to grind up some tin as well. So we're going to need a stick. 1 of you. Excellent. Use the new lever recipe. Just get a little rock. I know I've got tons of this. There we go. Nope, buttons are not good enough. Lever has to be a lever. Okay. Stick you on there, and then I guess we need a chest as well, don't we? Let's grab some of this so I don't forget on the way back. Tin ingots. Let's try 4 for now. I totally oh, there we go. I forgot what I came over for. 1 chest. Stick you on here. And hope for the best, I guess. Did I just turn it off? I probably just turned it off. Yeah, there we go. It's very noisy. Like I say, you don't want to jump into it. It hurts. Oh, we had a power already. Oh no, it's grounded all. Okay, that wasn't too bad at all. So we need to take our tin dust. We need to get some more actual tin ingots. I don't know how much this is going to make. I'm probably going to have to work it out off camera. I wasn't expecting that to be so quick. I thought it was going to take ages. I was going to say, why aren't those lamps turning on? They should be turning on. That's better. Yeah, okay. I'm going to turn on the light in the windmill here just so we get a bit of light. And because I want an excuse to press the button. Excellent. So what's this recipe for osmium? Let's have a look. Osmium. Because we want to make the charging station. Charging station. There we go. MV wire. Okay, make that without, but I do need to make the configurator, which is this one. We need to make some enriched alloy for starters. That's going to take redstone and that. Okay, that's fine. We can make that. Oh, I don't actually need any osmium. Interesting. Okay, this is much, much later. I've had a couple more coffees now. Yeah, I did actually need to make some osmium for a couple of items. One of them was, I think it was the... Oh, which pipe was it? I made a bunch of pipes and stuff off camera as well. I'm nearly ready to get going here. We've made the charging station. We've made our configurator. So the configurator required a bunch of stuff here. This was, click on that, just gold and these enriched alloys. These were redstone with iron. Now that has to be processed iron. I found that out the hard way. I put one of the TFC ingots in there and I got some red alloy. So there you go. Lesson learned. To make the processed iron, you literally just chuck one of the TFC ingots into your electrical age macerator, and then cook the dust in the furnace, and you get your like processed iron, the vanilla stuff. So I made a bunch of those up. I've got a bunch of logistical transporter pipes, got a bunch of mechanical pipes. I had to make a couple of buckets for that. You can make those pretty easily just with wrought iron sheets. So we've done that. Charging station was pretty easy to make, just iron and glass and stuff. And the last thing I want to make is one of these logistical sorters. So I've got pretty much everything I need, but I have to make one more of these basic control circuits, which is osmium with a little bit of redstone. So let's go make one of those. And then we're good to go. I've been trying to think about how I want to hook up the coke oven tower. Let's put these osmium in there. How much will one give me? I can't remember. I did it like, well, it was actually a while ago. I've been looking for squid. I went and mined a bunch of obsidian. There you go, 1 for 1. Yeah, nice and easy. Okay, well, we only needed 1. Mined a bunch of obsidian, and I wanted to go find squid, and I wanted to make a void pipe as a way of dealing with the excess creosote oil. I cannot find squid anywhere. I've been exploring for absolutely ages, and like I cannot find any of the stinking things. And it's frustrating, because as soon as we get some ink sacs, we can actually multiply them using a recipe that's been added recently. But no joy yet, so what I'm going to use in the meantime is these immersive engineering wooden barrels, which I hope will work. We'll find out. It says they can't take hot liquids, and I don't know if creosote oil counts as a hot liquid. But let's see. Recipe for this one. Right piston in the top. That in there. You all around the outside. Boom. logistical sorter. Now this is subject to change because I do possibly, we'll see when I do it. Soonish, I want to really upgrade this whole system as well. We're going to have railroads and all kinds of stuff. But for now, I just want to get it automated and get it functioning. Did I mention before? I don't know if I mentioned that I upgraded the windmill there. But yeah, if I get you on here, yeah, there you go. Just had my angle wrong. I suppose I better get this stuff charging as well. So let me just get the charging station hooked up, because we're gonna need the configurator in a second. I think I'm just gonna stick it on this bridge here, since we've got a connection already. Let's get fancy. So this can go here. Put the LV wire connector on the back. LV wire coil. You can go and connect up to this thing again. Good. I was a little bit worried it wasn't going to connect. And then the power goes through there to the crusher for when we need that. And then hopefully we can just stick our configurator. Yeah, and it charges. Oh, that's cool. I like that. It's got some charge in it. Amazing. All right, we're going to need that soon. Food situation's getting pretty dire as well. It's actually spring now. It's taking me so long to get all the materials to craft all this stuff. Like I'm running out of flux. I've had to go into some of the marble stone I had left over from some mining. Running very low on iron again. And the iron's taken so long to process. We are definitely going to look into a better way of making that soon. But for now, you. We have to connect it at the top there and at the bottom. I'll tidy all this up afterwards, like I say. I'm actually thinking of just doing a bunch of building between this episode and next one. Oh, I'm too encumbered. If we go up the top. Just because the place is starting to look a little bit messy. I want to close off this tower for starters because it's an eyesore. And tidy up a few other things. I've also had an idea for that bridge over there. Oh, that was so close. Okay, you, and one more in the middle. Got it. Okay. Where's our configurator? Now, I have to try and remember how to do this. Yeah, there we go. Shift and right click. We want to input only. You can go input only. This probably isn't necessary. I'm just doing it for tidiness' sake. Yeah, had a little bit of a crash there. It seems to be a little bit temperamental about pipes, the mechanism pipes, so just be careful when you're placing them, guys. I ended up just leaving these all as the default. It shouldn't matter. I went ahead and hooked up all the rest. I discovered that I needed more, so I've made another batch of each. They seem to be working okay, though. So, like, I set... Can I see it from this side, maybe? No, of course you can't. Basically, if you set... You need the configurator to do it. If you set the pipes to extract, they don't need any redstone signal or anything like that. They automatically pump the creosote oil out, and it does seem to actually go into these barrels. The only issue is they don't hold very much, so I'm going to have to find some way of disposing of that creosote oil in the near future. I'll have a think about it, and I'll let you guys know what I come up with. Unless anyone else has any suggestions, I'm all ears, really. If I can find some squid, then I can just do the void pipe thing. I think these should feed into void pipes, and that'll work until we can find a way of storing it all. Same thing worked for this stuff. It extract the charcoal, so it feeds it straight into this chest. So we've got a bunch of charcoal in there now. And you notice that these things have finished working, so they don't have any fuel at the moment. Now, I don't think I've quite finished setting this up yet. Yeah, I want this round robin. This is why I wanted the logistical sorter, because I could have just extracted straight out of this chest and put it straight into these without needing this thing. But this thing will give me the option of doing round robin and alternating between them all. I think it will automatically know that these are different inventories, but we're about to find out. Where is this? I don't have enough great wood for all of them, but at least 3 should be getting... Well, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Put those 3 in. And nothing happens. Oh, auto eject has to be on. There we go. Is that 3 getting it? Yeah, okay, so it'll spread the load between the 6 coke ovens. Or that's the theory anyway. So now I can just go mine a whole ton of great wood, dump it all in here. What happens if I put another one in? A few more. Is it going to go to the bottom one? Or is it going to... Yeah, so instead of filling up one of the ones that's just been used from the other coke ovens, it knows to go to the next ones. If I put 2 more in, hopefully it'll go to those. But yeah, that's it. We've got charcoal automated. It's ugly. It needs a little bit of polishing, and I will do that between episodes. I'm quite looking forward to doing a little bit of building. I'm so sick of mining, and like everything has gone wrong this episode. That seems to happen sometimes. But I have to say, thank you very much, guys. You've all been very supportive. I've been getting lots of constructive feedback from people and words of encouragement, and it really does make a difference. Keeps motivating me to keep going, and people seem to be enjoying the series, which makes me happy as well. So thank you very much, guys. I should probably mention, in case you guys are feeling like watching any more Technofirma videos, Dex, who is the mod pack author, has actually started doing a little like developer let's play series. His YouTube name is Redmaster164. I highly recommend checking his channel out. And he goes through, you know, he's kind of testing out changes to the pack. So you get to see a lot of stuff in that series before it happens, and you get to hear his take on why he's changed things, you know, that kind of stuff. But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.